Hey, I want to do a quick review of the Cayin R2R, I guess the RU6. It is a dongle DAC. It is R2R, if you're not familiar with R2R. It's a different kind of DAC system as opposed to this traditional Sigma. So here's the unit itself. It's pretty small, USB-C. It's got a balanced 4.4 and is a regular 3.5 single-ended. I did get the case for it. In this case, it was the blue case, which I think is a pretty cool color, actually. And so it just slides right in. And so you can still see the display, the USB-C, and of course the buttons on the side. On the side there is the, I can get this out, the plus and the minus, volume up and volume down, and then the mode. I'll show you the simple modes. It's a really simple menu system. It does come with these magnet stuff, so I think you're supposed to be able to put this like on the back of your phone, and it does stick on it. I have actually used it that way, but it's not so bad. But I have heard on the reviews that it is actually not quite as strong to kind of stay on the back of your phone case, or wherever you want to put it on. So I left that alone. Let me take it out of the case while we'll review this. So that's the case. Pretty cool. I think it comes with orange as well. I don't know if it comes with black, but definitely the blue one. I kind of like that look at it. I did actually also get the extra cable that is USB-C to Lightning, because I do actually have an iPhone, as well as what comes in the box, which is just a USB-C to USB-C, what actually comes with it. But I actually get the Lightning cord as well. So I'll use this one for now. So USB-C on one end, and then into my iPhone on the other end. And I am using Qobuz. I'm using Qobuz. So there it goes, starts up. Pretty simple. It shows you the sampling rate. I'll hit the mode. How does this work? That's the volume. There we go, long press. So there's a high setting, low setting. There's a sampling, either non-overlay sampling or oversampling, and then how long the backlight actually stays on. And that's all there is. It's as simple as that. So that's all it is. I am actually using a balanced, which is pretty cool that they were able to get this in. So it's as simple as that. And with the Lightning cord, with the USB-C, like I can use this on my laptop. I can use this on an Android phone. I can use this basically on every single device that I have that has a USB-C, which is pretty cool. In terms of how it sounds, it definitely is a huge improvement over using just this laptop DAC what's built in, or just listening over a regular headphone out of the phone. It is, in my view, very natural. It's extended. I would say it's detailed enough. It extracts enough of the details that you'd really enjoy the music itself. But it's definitely for sure something that is more kind of warmish, to slightly on the warm side. Very musical in the sense that it's very very listenable. Like it definitely isn't. It doesn't have those sharp tones. It's definitely not sibilant in the treble. I'd say it's a little more mid-forward, but clear, but really kind of rounded in some sense. Hits really good bass notes, and it just sounds really soft and really nice. It's not to say that it's like overly rounded or overly like smooth or smudgy. It definitely has good image, good tonality. I guess I'd just say it's really natural and organic, and something for this price range. I think it was under $300 for the whole kit shipped. I definitely don't think you can go too wrong with it, especially with the versatility that it does have in terms of having something so small, something that's balanced 4.4. Again, I use it on high gain. It's just a really well-bit unit. So I definitely highly recommend it. This is my first DAC dongle that I've got it. I've not tried any others, so I don't know. I can't really compare it with others, but definitely I don't definitely for an R2 DAC, which I do think it does have those tonalities of an R2R, which is kind of as it's described as it's. So I do definitely think I definitely would recommend it. Again, with the versatility of it being able to switch out to the lightning cord or just an USB-C, and again, to be able to put this on essentially any kind of device that I want to put it on, I can. Essentially, again, it has 3.5 and also 4.4 balanced. Yeah, definitely a really nice unit. Definitely very recommended. Yeah, thanks for watching for this really quick unboxing and review of the unit itself. And hope you enjoy. Thanks.